welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is DIY with Sarah Renee. Today I have in store for you two projects that incorporate some of the pieces that I got from our Hobby Lobby haul. I am today utilizing the foam cones that you all saw, as well as the Nutcracker. Today I am showing you the exact idea that I had for that guy, and I am so happy with how it turned out. I cannot wait to show you. So let's get on into this video. I cannot wait for you all to see how both of these projects turned out. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming projects. I post new videos every Thursday that go live at 9 a.m. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on that content. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So if you are excited to see how those pieces from our haul turned out for our Christmas decor, come on with me. Let's go create. happy with how this guy turned out. I just love it so much. I have seen so many people take these Nutcrackers and just spray paint them matte black. Okay, I love that. It's a very just sleek. I love the matte black, but my decor is not black. With the exception of some of my actual furniture, my decor is not black. My tones are typically natural wood or browns, olive greens, even blues. So matte black is not going to be something that goes along with most of my decor. However, tan does. What I thought was really cool about this is while it's not actually wood, it is painted, as you all saw in the video. The color that I just so happened to choose, it was not on purpose, but it really mimics what the natural tones of wood are. I love that the little wooden countdown blocks were able to be sanded down. Thank you, Tim, to my husband. He sanded all of the red off of these blocks and got them back down to their natural wood. And I just used my Cricut to stamp on the numbers. One pro tip, write down the numbers per block. If you have a project like this where it's like countdown with 2 blocks, write down this block has numbers 5, 4, 1, 0, so on and so forth. This block has numbers 7, 9, 8, 0, and so forth. That way when you go to adhere your numbers to your blocks, you know which block had what numbers. That way you can, count down accordingly, right? But I love that he was able to do that for me. It made this really special. And I did decide to incorporate his little hat and his tree. So yeah, it's really neutral and the color is really matte and it's exactly what I wanted. It did give it a little bit of that Christmas cheer back with the Santa hat and the Christmas trees. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think that it's just so perfect. And not to mention, I only have one of these in front of me to show you today, but I love how the Dollar Tree little Nutcrackers turned out. They turned out great. Now I did do 3 full coats of paint on all of the pieces. And then for my 4th coat, I just touched up any places that I could see just a hint of something through. But other than that, they turned out fantastic. I just love them. I can't wait to set them out and have them all decored up. Yay, I'm so happy. I love them. Something else that turned out so perfect were my fur and yarn trees. I love these guys. I think that they are going to be that decor piece that is a showstopper. Not just for Christmas though. These can bleed into just your winter decor for after the holiday season is over. I am so excited to put all of these out for my decor. Please make sure that you comment below which one was your favorite. My favorite, I'm sure you've guessed already, but it's the Countdown Santa Nutcracker. He's my favorite of the day. So make sure that you comment which one that you like the most. Make sure that you like this video and also subscribe to my channel. New videos are posted every Thursday at 9 a.m. So make sure that you are joining on this journey with me. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope that you really enjoyed it and we'll see you on the next one.